Hello, fellow YouTubers, ready to boost your video views? You've come to the right place. We're going to explore the exciting world of YouTube SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's how you help people find your videos on YouTube. Think of it like putting a bright sign on your front door. SEO might sound complicated, but don't worry. It's like learning a new dance step. With a little practice, you'll be a pro. In this fun guide, we'll break down simple steps to improve your video ranking. Get ready for more views, subscribers, and fun. Imagine uploading a fantastic video, but nobody sees it. Sad, right? That's where SEO comes in. It helps your videos get noticed in YouTube's search results. The higher you rank, the more people find you. Think of it like a grocery store. Your video is a jar of delicious jam. SEO is like putting it on the top shelf right at eye level. More people see it, more people buy it. Good SEO makes your videos visible. It helps you connect with your audience and share your passions with the world. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into the YouTube search bar. They are the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you create. Choosing the right ones is crucial. The right keywords can make your video more discoverable and attract the right audience. Start by thinking like your viewers. Put yourself in their shoes. What would they search for to find your video? Understanding their perspective is key. Let's say you're sharing a recipe for apple pie. You need to think about the specific terms they might use. People might search for best apple pie recipe, looking for the most highly recommended and delicious version, or easy apple pie tutorial if they are beginners looking for a simple guide. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to find popular keywords. These tools can provide valuable insights. They help you understand what people are searching for and how often these terms are used. These tools are like magic wands. They reveal what people are searching for and how competitive those keywords are. This information is crucial for your strategy. Remember, choose keywords that are relevant to your video and have a good search volume. This means they should be popular enough to attract viewers. That means lots of people are looking for them. The more relevant and popular your keywords, the better your chances of reaching a wider audience. Your video title is the first thing viewers see. It's like a catchy headline in a newspaper. It needs to be interesting and informative. Use keywords in your title, but don't stuff it too full. Keep it natural and engaging. For example, instead of apple pie recipe, try Grandma's Secret apple pie recipe. You'll love it. Keep your titles concise and to the point. Most people scan quickly, so grab their attention with the first few words. A compelling title is your video's first impression. Make it count. Thumbnails. Your video's first impression. Your thumbnail is the visual preview of your video. It's the first thing people see, even before the title. Think of it like the cover of a book. A captivating thumbnail will make people want to click and watch. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your video's content. Show your smiling face, highlight key moments, or create visually appealing graphics. Make sure your thumbnail is clear and easy to see, even on small screens. Use bright colors and bold fonts to attract attention. A stunning thumbnail is like a magnet, drawing viewers to your video. Writing descriptions that engage and inform. Your video description provides more information about your content. It's a crucial element that can make or break the viewer's decision to watch your video. It's your chance to tell viewers what to expect and why they should watch. A compelling description can captivate your audience's interest right from the start. Use keywords naturally throughout your description. These keywords help your video appear in search results, making it easier for potential viewers to find your content. Start with a strong opening sentence that hooks viewers and encourages them to keep reading. This initial hook is vital in grabbing attention and setting the tone for the rest of the description. Provide a concise overview of your video's content, highlighting key points and benefits. This summary should give viewers a clear idea of what they will gain from watching your video. Use bullet points or numbered lists to make it easy to read. Breaking down information into digestible chunks helps viewers quickly understand the main points. Don't forget to include a call to action. Encourage viewers to take the next step, whether it's liking the video, leaving a comment, or subscribing to your channel. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your video. Engaging with your audience can lead to a loyal following and increased interaction. A well-written description can significantly boost your video's visibility and engagement. By taking the time to craft a thoughtful and informative description, you can enhance your video's performance and reach a wider audience. Tag your it. Using tags to boost visibility. Tags are like labels that categorize your video. They play a crucial role in helping your content get discovered by the right audience. They help YouTube understand what your content is about, making it easier for the platform to recommend your video to viewers interested in similar topics. Think of tags as additional keywords that enhance your video's searchability. Use a mix of broad and specific tags related to your video's topic. This combination ensures that your video can be found by both general and niche audiences. For our apple pie example, you could use tags like apple pie, baking, dessert, recipe, easy recipe, and homemade. These tags cover a range of search terms that potential viewers might use. Use relevant and accurate tags. This not only helps in reaching the right audience, but also builds trust with your viewers. Don't use misleading tags just to get more views. Misleading tags can frustrate viewers and harm your channel's reputation. That's like putting a strawberry jam label on our apple pie jar. It confuses viewers and can lead to negative feedback. Tags are a powerful tool for improving your video's discoverability. Use them wisely and you'll see a significant boost in your video's visibility and engagement. Happy tagging! Sharing is caring. Spreading the word about your videos. You've optimized your videos for search, but don't stop there. Share your amazing content with the world. Embed your videos on your website or blog. Share them on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Email the link to friends and family. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Respond to questions and start conversations. Building a community around your videos is key to long-term success. The more you share, the more people will find and enjoy your videos. Keep learning and keep growing your audience. Congratulations on mastering the basics of YouTube SEO. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of SEO is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and best practices. Experiment with different strategies and see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and have fun. After all, YouTube is all about sharing your passions with the world. Now go forth and create amazing videos that reach a wide audience.